We have made one file last week, data.json. Open that file. Vendor, product, cart item, orders. Those was the content that we have stored there. These all are the array actually. Vendor, product, and remaining. These all are the array. Now first we will add few data under the product, and those data will come in our home page. Those data will come in our home page. From there we will learn add to cart. We'll get some idea on add to cart, how add to cart works. If that section will be clear, again we'll work on the next. So go to the product array, and in product array, proper systematic way, you are going to add the four product, name, photo, details, old price, offer price, or we can print only price only. We'll remove this offer price. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 details we require: name, price, details, and photo. So follow the array, and using that we will be writing for the ID 1, name, Apple, price, $300, details, or maybe photo, 1.jpg, 1.jpg, details, good product. Good product. Okay. So name, price, details, and photo. Add one product. Add one product. Photo will go to the public folder. Okay, so hope ready. One product. Keep a comma. Copy this product, paste below. This will come dynamically. We are adding now manually for testing purpose. To mango, 100 rupees. .jpg, mango, Add one more 3. Orange 200 rupees. 3.jpg. Good orange. Remove the last comma. No comma in the last. Okay, hope ready to hear. Hope added the product. How many product? 3 product. Now open one more CMD in this folder. Which folder? JSON API folder. JSON API folder. Open one more CMD, and you have to start the server here. You have to start the server here. In which folder? JSON API folder. How to start the server? This way. We have to write in CMD JSON-server space -- watch space data.json space -- port space 1234. Your JSON server will work like the backend. So we'll type here same thing, JSON-server space -- watch space data.json space -- port space 1234. This 4 URL it will give. 4 URL it will give. देखिए फाइन फाइन रीड करो आप। जब एरर आता है तो 2 बार 3 बार उसको रीड करते हैं ना। In 1 minute we should not come to the final solution. check the JSON file, check the command, check the CMD where we have opened, check some other possibility also. So hope it shows like this: vendor, product, cart item, and orders. Huh? Double quote, yeah, it's string. My comma is the last. Okay, so hope running, and we are able to see the compiled file like this. Now we'll verify this, how it is going to come in the browser. So it is saying like your resources means your array, your APIs exist on localhost :123/4 vendor, product, cart item, orders, right? So we'll go to the browser, and in browser we'll open another tab. In that tab we can write localhost :1234/product, PRODUCT. Can you see list of products are coming here?
So for me, it is coming blank array.
You will not save your file without saving it in
Okay.
the compilation. Save the file and then compile. I send the content in chat also, editor.json file. Whoever are not able to run, they should copy and paste that file into that file, and they should run this command. JSON server --watch 1234. You can make a note also somewhere of that. This one, the command. Okay, so now See, product, if we call localhost 1234 colon product slash product, it will give you all the product. Now every product have a number 123 slash product slash, suppose if I pass 2, it will give me only the product number 2. It will give me only the product number 2. Product number 2 will come only. If I give product 3, it will give only product 3. If you will not give anything, directly product, all the product will come. Only product means all the product will come. So working. Now this URL what we are given here, using fetch method, we will call under our project, and our project will give the list of product here. That will come from where? JSON server. So let's come to your product now. We have created one file home.js. Under the home.js, we have listed all the products as a hardcode value. That all hardcode value we will remove now. So till here all are okay, or anyone have error? I share the file, please replace that. Now I will go to the project file. We have a file called home.js. In home.js, use state we have called. We will call one more called use effect. Use effect. This is for what purpose? So when the page will load, at load time, it should bring the data. Okay, so after calling that, come down under the my home, create a constant product list, comma, update product equal to use state. You will keep here as a square bracket. Okay, next after that, come down, write another function. Get product equal to we will call here fetch function, and using the fetch function, we will send a request to this URL. The URL you have opened just now in the browser, to this URL will send a request. Dot then function will call. Response will come from the JSON server. Response.json we will do to get the actual array object. Finally, dot then function product array. This product array we have to keep a alert here. Product dot length array dot length. After that, you will come down. You will follow the use effect. Using the use effect, you will call that function call get product. Get product. Along with that, use effect function will go under the infinite loop. So to prevent from the infinite loop, we have to give here called 1. So it should not execute multiple time. On page load, it should execute only one time. On page load, it should execute only one time. Save till here.
So CRM, this use effect just act like an onload, right? So whenever the page is loading, it's loading for the first time, and this will call only once, no? So
Yes, yes.
then why we are giving a one? Means if we are assuming that it will load only one, it will call only once.
Without once, it will call multiple times. To keep one,
No,
then
the fix.
it will call only one time.
Okay.
Without one, it will call multiple times. If you put one, then it will call only one time. Okay, so hope ready. Check now. On load, are you getting any alert? If yes, then what is the length? 3 or more than 3? Let us check it is only 3 or more than 3. See, for me also coming as a 3. I go to other component and come back to home, I should get as a 3. So that meaning data is coming from the JSON server and going to this product array. Now from product array, we will send to the product list via update function. So call here update product and remove the length from here. So now this product will be sent to product array, product list. Okay, so now using the update product function, product array, we are sending to product list. Then this data which we are getting a static data, it should be as a dynamic. Now you can see in your JSON file, we are given 1, 2, 3. Three photo name we are given 1.jpg, 2.jpg, 3.jpg. So this photo as of now, this photo should be in your public folder. Those photos should be in your public folder. In your public folder, there must be 1, 2, and 3, at least 3 photos. Because we are given the name there, so that name should be there, that particular photo should be there in your folder. Then only on load, at the time of loading, it will get called. I have sent entire code in your chat, Sudipta. The JSON data I have sent you. This content you are supposed to copy and paste in your file. And after that, using this command, you should compile it. Using this command, you should compile it. Hope you are going to do quickly.
Sir, one time I got out.
Next again, why problem happened?
I don't know, sir. Now it is showing error.
Where in the project or JSON?
And JSON file, JSON server, sir.
I sent you the code and replace that. You should not stop the CMD. Look at here. There is a 2 CMDs running. One CMD for the JSON server and one CMD is for the React server.
Oh.
React server is
By mistake, it was stopped, sir. So again, I run that command. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4 port is not working.
you have written this line as a wrong line. Because of that, it is not working. Write again. This is the code. I sent in your chat. Okay, so hope JSON is ready. Let's come to now home.js file. home.js file. This home.js file, we have got the data under the product list. And here is the list of the product that we have made last week, static.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me
It is not working, sir.
what I should do now. Tell me now.
So port we can change.
Which port?
Uh, port 1234.
You can change, but if you are changing, you can remember. I will write 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write what you will write it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's go ahead. This what product list we have written. This product list. It was 3 times. We can delete 2 times. 2 product you can delete. I think 4 time it was. Carefully delete 333. Keep 1 3. 1 3 we can keep here. First section, first college 3 we can keep 1 and we'll put inside the loop. Okay, hope you added. Open the flower bracket here. That flower bracket will be closed here. After that, open the map function here. Product list dot map. Product comma their index. Right here call return. Inside the return, this division to division we can cut and paste. Under the return, the division to division you can cut and paste. of added, cut this much and paste under the return. Okay, so added under the return. Now on home page, same product will appear 3 times. In home page, same product will appear total 3 times. So 3 times it's coming same product. You can change here product dot name. You can change here photo. Product dot photo. Photo. In paragraph product dot details. Price we can keep 1. Second one, we'll delete the first one. Product dot price. Detail you can remove. Then add to cart. Meanwhile, for the call LG3, you must add key property index as value. So it will display the now product dynamically. Now 3 product will come. Different photo, different price. Check the code again. Yeah.
For me, it is showing broken images.
Broken images.
Yeah, image was not displayed.
You have image in your public folder.
Yeah, I have added.
Shape image I cannot help, no. Image you have to keep there and you have to call the image. Broken image, what is the meaning of that? It's a big photo, a small
Oh,
no,
photo was not displayed.
that represent photo is not there in your folder. Here is the code. IMG SRC equal to write in this. Then whichever the name you have given under the JSON file, that particular name photo must exist in the folder. Whichever name we should give under the photo name should be there under the folder. Whichever the name we give under the JSON file, that name should be available under the folder.
Sir, fetch is not defined. Fetch is not defined.
This is
Fetch.
fetch.
Yes, sir.
You have written dot fetch.
Okay.
ये भी गलती करते हो यार. Take this function. This function came to your chat.
So in my home section, nothing is displaying.
Nothing
It was before, but now it is nothing displaying.
this way people will say then we have to finish the project soon only. So this all thing I have teach or not. During the class
Yeah.
function, JSON server, 10 plus time I have read the data. I have guided to everyone, read the data, write the data, edit the data, delete the data. Now on a spot, if you do mistake, then what will happen? It's a matter of practice. See, one problem will do again and again. Right? Why can't we work 100 hours on that problem? If we work 100 hours on that problem will never come. But our problem is we will skip when the problem will come. For everyone, for me also. When I feel something difficult, I feel okay, I'll do later. Later will never come. I can share the SRC folder. I can give the JSON API folder. Those two work I can do. Project it's done by the learner, not by the trainer. Trainer is a guide who is sitting in front of you. They are guiding you do this much. Now, instead of do this much, I'm asking you to follow me. Still people do the mistake. And in this, whatever we are implementing, none of the feature is that we have not implemented in the class. Till now, what we are doing, you all have implemented in the class. If any extra line is there, anyone can say this line I have not seen. Any single line. Okay, so let us go ahead. I have shared you both the file src folder and complete JSON API folder. Whoever have the problem, they can delete their folder, close the CMD, close everything. Everything means everything. Nothing should be open. Close everything. Delete your src folder. Replace with my src folder. After that, replace the folder. Again do npm start. Okay, after that, now what should happen is these products are coming from that JSON file. Go to the JSON file, add one more product. Then see that is getting added in your list or not. Comma, add one more lower bracket, put inside ID, ID 4, comma, name, banana, comma, price 50, comma, photo, photo.jpg, comma, details, green banana, green banana. Now, once we add four item, one more item, this would come in the browser directly. If you reload this or go to any other component, come back to home, you will see one more product is added. But this is going to happen dynamically. This will come dynamic. When the vendor seller will register and log in, and he will add the product, his product will come on home page. From here, the user can buy, and that whatever the product he will buy, that product will come to the order list. Whichever the order will get placed, that will come under the order list. Okay, so let's come to the main page. That is called home page. Okay, in home page, now what is the next functionality? Suppose a person want to see this product. A person want to see this product. He will click on this product. It will go to the details page. There, similar details as of now what you are printing and print. A person will click on add to cart. Once he will click on add to cart, this particular item will get added under the cart. He will click on this add to cart. So 2 items will get added under the cart. Once he will go to the my cart, he should see the list of item here. And then he will enter that. In case he don't want one, he can delete from here. He want to add again, buy something, he will go to the home page or go to shopping. And from there again, he can do add to cart. He will come to the cart, and from cart, what he can do? He can give the details and place the order. Once the order is placed, then these details will go to the vendor. Once the vendor will log in, he can see, yes, he has got a order. Okay, so that is going to happen now. So we'll come to the home page and we will understand how to do add to cart. Add to cart functionality means we are going to learn on posting the data. When we click on add to cart, this particular details should go to the cart array. You can see here, you have a cart item, it's empty as of now. Empty as of now. Once we do add to cart, one item details will get added under the cart here. Okay, and once we go to the cart page, it will read from the cart and display inside the page. Okay, so carefully if you understand, it will be very, very helpful. Come to the again your this one VS Code and go to the terminal. VS Code and go to the terminal. Under the terminal, we have one more library that we are going to install, Axios. Using that, it will be easy to post. Using that, it will be easy to delete. Okay. Now, we can come to the next, that is under the VS Code terminal you have gone. In terminal you will write npm install Axios. It is another library of JavaScript that will help you to post the data, that will help you to get the data, that will help you to delete the data, that will help you to update the data. So under the Axios, there is a get function, there is a post function, there is a put function, there is a delete function. Using get, we can fetch the data. Using post, we can post the data. Using delete, we can delete the data. Using put, we can update the data. Okay, so four functions are there: get, post, put, and then delete. Get for fetching the data, put for updating the data, post for posting the data, new data, and delete for deleting the data. So in this, we have to go through all the process. Fetching we are doing, we have fetch function also. Using fetch function, we can post also, but you cannot post to the JSON server. You cannot post to the JSON server. There will be little extra code that may lead to confusion. Axios is a simple one. Using that, easily you can post. JSON server will extract and add inside the JSON file. So you can write npm install Axios. npm install Axios. Hope installation is going on. Okay, so it will say Axios particular is added. This many packages added, updated, something will come. This is called Axios. Using that, easily we can post the data to JSON server. Easily we can post the data to JSON server. Okay, right. Next, go here. In the same file, home file only, import AXIOS from AXIOS. It will create a folder called Axios in your okay, hope ready. Now come down below, write a function, add to cart, const add to cart. Product info. You will keep a alert here, product info. You can do console.log also. Okay, ready? Now come down, call the add to cart function on button click. Button we have here. In button click, we will be calling add to cart. Add to cart dot bind. Under the bind, first parameter will be this, and second will be product. Complete one product details we have to send. So you are writing your product dot name, product dot price, product dot quantity, product dot photo. So we are sending a complete product, means one product details. Complete product details we are sending to the Hope ready? Add to cart we are calling. One click equal to add to cart. On click equal to add to cart dot bind this comma product. Complete one product details you are sending to cart function. Hope clear? Now let us come to the browser. On button click, see what is comes as an object. Because it's an array, it's a complete as an array that we can see better in console. So go on the top and instead of alert, do console.log. We need to understand what is coming in that product info. Complete one product details is coming there. Console.log. 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 Now after saving that console.log, let's come to the browser. Let's come to the browser. Right click, open the console. Right click, open the console. Go under the console and clear everything. And then click on add to cart. You will see one product details is coming here. Again click here, another product details will come. Again click here, next product details will come. Please go to console and check once. In console anything is visible or not. So visible in console. So whichever the product you click. So what we are passing here, again let's come to product info is a variable where data is coming from here, add to cart dot bind this comma product. Now what is product? Product is a complete the details of one product. Their name, price, quantity, photo details, everything. In an object format, you are sending here to the add to cart. Now from the add to cart, we have to send to the JSON server. From add to cart, we have to send to the JSON server. Okay. From the add to cart, we have to send to the JSON server. So that the JSON server will store under the cart array. So at this place now, we have to write here axios.post axios.post URL. This is the URL. This is the URL. But in that, the cart item is something else. It's called cart item. So instead of product, we have to change here to cart item. In the cart item array, you are going to post one product details, complete in the form of object, array object. Name, price, quantity will come. Then after that, you will do here dot then response. Okay. After that, fat arrow method you will follow directly. Response.json is not required here in the Axios. Only one response is required. Sorry, only one then is required. At this place now, you can display the message item added in cart. So for that, we have to write another function here. We have to write another function here that is called const msg update msg equal to use state inside pass is empty. You will call here update msg you can write here item added in cart successfully. Item added successfully in cart. Added successfully in your cart. This is one message. This message we have to display inside the page. Okay, hope ready this function. Come down. Inside the page in the beginning only. In the beginning only, you can use a p tag, and under the p tag, class name equal to text center and text info. We can add here that MSG variable. So once you click on any item add to cart, directly that item will get added under the particular item will get added under the JSON file. Complete item will go to the cart. Complete item details will go to the cart array. Let me show you. Suppose if I come here and about mango, I add here mango. Message will come, item added in cart successfully. If I go to my server, JSON server, I will see here under the cart, one complete item details is added. Similar way, do some more add to cart and then check is happening or not. Message should be in the highlighted color, red color. Message red color will appear in the browser. Multiple item, whichever the item will add, all the items will get added under the cart. This function I will share in the chat as well. Add to cart. See, it is not RDBMS. If it is the backend is RDBMS, then instead of storing only the complete product details, we can store some certain details only, maybe product ID. But the backend is not RDBMS. It's just like the file system. So there in the file system, we cannot make a proper relation, which record to which column, which rows. So in that case, we have to follow the same way. Complete product details we can add in the cart, and then
एक बार में ये पूछे रिपोर्ट करती हूँ दोबारा नहीं
one product you can add only one time. Okay, go ahead then. Your item is getting added in the cart. Whichever you add, it will go to the cart. You can see here in the cart array, it will get added successfully. Suppose I added 2 items, so both items are available here. Now we have to read from the cart and display under the cart page. So now here, whichever the product will come, will get added by admin, or you add statically. Whichever the product will come, it will come here. People can do add to cart. After add to cart, they will go to the where my cart page. Now here one product is coming. By default, this should be dynamic. It should come from where? It should come from the my cart. It should come from the my cart. Yes. So let's go to that file now. Cart.js file. In cart.js file, I think from the home file, you need to copy this function. It remains same over there. Which function? This much. You can copy from here. Okay, ready? Copied. We'll go to the cart page. In cart page, in beginning, use state first you have to call. That is happening, calling. Use effect also we need to call. Use effect we need to call. Next below, you can paste that code what you have added there. We have copied something from there, no? That code we can add here. Some changes is required at this place. Instead of product list, let it be product only. Get product, everything same. Change this array. What is array? Array is called product. We have to write here call cart item. So now it will bring the data from which array? From the cart item array. We have added 2 product just now. Thus 2 product will come now. Cart item. All let it be same. Just change the URL and call the use effect on the top. Okay, hope ready. So this many we added. Now come down under the table. So everything is same. We call use effect and we change here call cart item. Let me share this much in your chat. Okay, come down now. We have somewhere cart. We are listing the items. One tr we have added. Now this tr will come under the map function. So open the flower bracket, close it. Right here, product list dot map product comma index return under return. Let's write it here. Okay, hope ready. This tr to tr now you can cut from here and paste under this return. Tr to tr you should cut and paste under the return. Their serial number will be as an index. You can do index +1 and this name will be product.name. Price will be product.price. SR, so you can replace here. And button trash, let it be check once. Whichever the item you have added under the cart, those items are coming under the list or not.
There will be photo, I think. Product.photo.
SRC should be called photo.
Photo, no, I think.
Photo. Photo will come here. See, 2 products are coming, which we have added there. Mango banana I have added. I will add some other item. Mango banana I have added. I will add the apple. I will go to cart. I will see apple will come or not. Apple is coming here. Coming. It will take just 2-minute time to delete from the cart. We will write one more function and it will get deleted from the cart. So go to the home page, click on add to cart. It will come to the cart. If you like, then okay. Don't like, delete from the cart. Then next will be called place order. So first we'll write a function called delete from the cart and then we'll go ahead with the remaining functionality.
Sir, you told when we switch from one component to other component, if we use React, the data will last, right? But, for this case, data was not lost. Still, we are in React. We are not using Redux.
Where it is storing the data in this example?
File system,
It
JSON server.
is storing in JSON server. How it will lose from there?
Okay.
It is storing in file system. Then how it will lose from there? It will not lose, no. If you store in a component, then it will lose. I'm agree on that. But it is not storing in component. It is storing in the file system. Don't think as a file system. Think like it is storing in the backend. Okay, data is going to where? To the backend. Your data.json file becomes the backend. Instead of storing in the database MySQL, you are just storing in the file system. Okay, the URL we called here post the data under the home file. Here written here, no, post you are doing, right? At this place, only you change the backend URL. Suppose a PHP developer is writing the API in PHP or Node.js or Java. He will give a URL, you need to add there and just pass the details as what you are passing, no other changes. He will capture the product ID, product name, everything, and he will store in database. So instead of looking in the JSON file, it will go to the SQL query. It will go to the MongoDB. Okay. Okay, so from your side, you will not have to do much changes. Entire flow remains same. Only the URL will get changed, and then your data will go to where? Backend. Is it Node.js or maybe any Java or Python anywhere? Only URL will get changed. Okay. Come to the cart file now. We will import here Axios again. Import Axios from Axios. Import Axios from Axios. Now come down here. Write a function called delete item PID product ID. This URL will be same. Variable URL equal to, it will remain same. In this URL, we have to append the PID. PID, that is called product ID. And after appending Axios dot delete, pass this URL dot, then you can call as a response, but JSON is not going to give any response. JSON server. Here you can use a function. We have used under the home file update message. Same function we can call there also in cart page. This function we can call here, and we can write here update message item deleted successfully. From your cart. Delete function I will share in your chat. Okay, hope written. Come down. We need to call this. We need to print the message. Message you can print before table. The table you have somewhere, table, right side table. After the H4, we can print in a paragraph. MSG variable. Class name, text danger, text center. Add this paragraph.
Equal to index was,
Equal to index where
we have not written map function.
TR, yeah. For TR you can write key index. So hope we added the paragraph. And for TR apply the key index.
Sir, why we use index plus one?
To display 1, 2, 3.
No, product plus one, product dot ID also.
You can use product.id also always. Now go to the delete and write here on click. Delete item dot bind this comma product dot id. We have to ID pass here product dot id. Calling product dot id. Next, after that, after calling this function, we have to reload the item that we have not done. Let's come up. Okay. So in this case now, you are going to come to the delete function, and under delete function, you have to call again get product to reload the list. This function need to call to reload cart item after delete. To reload available cart item after delete. Whichever the item is available after delete, it should come.
Sir, it's not working.
Not working.
No, sir.
Let me show you. The cart page, banana I have. I will delete the banana. Banana gone now. Mango is there. I will delete that. Mango is gone. It will get deleted from where? This file system directly. Got deleted from here. I will share the delete function. If not working, you should replace with my code. Get this. After that, I will send you again delete function. Delete button I sent you plus delete function I sent you. Both you should try.
Now working, sir.
Working.
Yes.
In data.json file, if we add or delete, every time we need to reload the page, we need to give the permission yes for the file.
Why you have opened this page? Close this page now. Data.json.
Oh.
Why it is open? Close that page.
Okay, sir.
If the file will be closed, no need to do yes, no. Data will go there. Data will come from there automatically.
Okay, thank you. Sir, it is possible to add same item multiple times in a cart.
In JSON server, you cannot do. Using
In
JSON,
JSON.
we cannot do that
Okay, thank you, sir.
because the ID is generating unique.
Okay.
ID is unique every time. Okay. So if
Okay.
ID is unique, it will not allow duplicate ID.
Okay.
Okay. So hope it worked for everyone. See you tomorrow again. Tomorrow we will work on place order and then remaining vendor register and login. We'll log in on the same time, 8 o'clock.